Welcome to AutoLink, the ultimate hub for automotive enthusiasts and seekers of innovative vehicles, where passion meets precision in every review. At AutoLink, we celebrate the art and engineering of the finest cars, bringing you an immersive blend of in-depth analysis, exciting POV drives, and unparalleled insights into the world of motoring. Today, we invite you on an exclusive 2024 Volvo XC60 B6 AWD POV drive, a captivating blend of Scandinavian elegance, advanced technology, and thrilling performance. Starting with its design, the XC60 continues Volvo's legacy of clean and minimalist aesthetics, featuring smooth body contours, bold lines, and a confident stance. This premium mid-size SUV stands out with its striking Thor's hammer LED headlights and iconic vertical chrome grille. As we open the doors to embark on the journey, the attention to detail in the interior immediately captivates. Volvo's renowned craftsmanship is evident in the cabin's immaculate layout, featuring high-quality Nappa leather upholstery, open porewood trim, and understated metal accents that together exude sophistication. Designed for ultimate comfort, the cabin offers heated and ventilated seats with massage functionality, ensuring a luxurious and relaxing driving experience. Beneath the XC60 B6 AWD's hood lies a turbocharged and supercharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder mild hybrid engine, delivering a balanced 295 horsepower and 310 lb-f of torque rack. This powertrain not only ensures smooth and efficient performance, but also aligns with Volvo's commitment to a sustainable future. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the B6 configuration delivers responsive shifts that keep the engine in its optimal power band, making every drive enjoyable. From the moment we pull out onto city streets, the XC60's serene ride quality becomes apparent. With the mild hybrid system silently assisting during low-speed cruising and stop-start traffic, the advanced suspension system absorbs imperfections effortlessly, making the SUV glide smoothly over bumps and uneven surfaces. Yet, the driving dynamics remain crisp as the carefully tuned chassis and intelligent all-wheel drive system provide a sense of stability and confidence, even during sharp turns. When we hit the open highway and switch to sport mode, the SUV comes alive. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just over 6.2 seconds, the acceleration feels brisk, delivering plenty of power for merging and overtaking. One of the standout features of the XC60 B6 AWD is its refined steering. The electric-assisted rack remains light and precise during urban maneuvers, but gains weight and tactile feedback at higher speeds, providing a connected and reassuring feel for the driver. As we take winding mountain roads, the Volvo's advanced dynamics become more apparent, with the active torque vectoring control subtly adjusting power delivery for optimum cornering performance. The adaptive dampers constantly tweak suspension settings to suit the road surface, striking a perfect balance between sportiness and comfort. Alongside the vehicle's impressive mechanical performance, the XC60 showcases the integration of Volvo's safety and technology suite, starting with its Google-powered infotainment system. With a 12.3-inch fully digital driver's display and a 9-inch vertically oriented central touchscreen, the interface feels intuitive and sophisticated. Connectivity is seamless, with Google Assistant voice commands, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto ensuring that drivers are always connected, whether checking directions or managing playlists. Enhancing the ambiance inside the cabin is the optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system, which provides concert-like acoustics, immersing passengers in premium audio while harmonizing with the road's natural soundtrack. Beyond entertainment, the XC60's suite of safety and driver assistance technologies ensures peace of mind at every turn. Volvo's industry-leading safety systems include adaptive cruise control, pilot assist for semi-autonomous highway driving, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, and a robust 360-degree camera system. Each feature functions flawlessly to minimize driver fatigue and elevate the sense of security. Another highlight is Volvo's commitment to environmental responsibility. The B6 AWD system uses mild hybrid technology to optimize fuel efficiency and reduce emissions without compromising power. The regenerative braking system captures energy lost during deceleration to recharge the 48-volt onboard battery. Coupled with efficient aerodynamics, the XC60 achieves an impressive fuel economy of around 23 mpg in the city and 30 mg on the highway, stellar numbers for its class. Practicality is also at the forefront, with a spacious trunk offering 22 cubic feet of storage, expandable to 63 cubic feet, with the rear seats folded down. Whether packing for road trips or tackling daily errands, the XC60 easily accommodates varied lifestyle needs. The hands-free power tailgate and versatile load floor add convenience, while interior storage compartments ensure a clutter-free space. As the POV drive progresses into the twilight, Volvo's advanced lighting technology comes to life. The adaptive LED headlights automatically adjust to optimize visibility based on traffic conditions, ensuring excellent nighttime vision while being kind to oncoming drivers. The panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade enhances the sense of openness, letting natural light flood the cabin during daylight and offering breathtaking stargazing at night. Customization is another cornerstone of the XC60 experience, with a plethora of exterior and interior options available. Whether you choose vibrant hues like fusion red or classic tones like crystal white pearl, every detail can be tailored to reflect your personality. The interior offers various themes, trims, and packages, allowing you to elevate the luxury and functionality of the car to meet your desires. At an MSRP starting near $55,000, the 2024 Volvo XC60 B6 AWD offers an impeccable blend of performance, luxury, and versatility, delivering exceptional value for a premium midsize SUV. Fully loaded models with additional packages and bespoke touches can reach upwards of $70,000, ensuring a truly tailor-made ownership experience. Returning home as the journey concludes, it's clear that the XC60 B6 AWD embodies Volvo's timeless approach to redefining automotive excellence. The unparalleled combination of stylish design, innovative technology, and exhilarating performance makes it a compelling choice for drivers seeking sophistication without compromise. Thank you for joining us at AutoLink, where passion for driving meets the thrill of discovery. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive POV drives and expert car reviews. Until next time, this has been AutoLink, where every journey tells a story, and the road ahead is always exciting. Drive safe, stay curious, and see you in the next adventure.